how to delete messages in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your messages app and then open up the conversation where you want to delete the messages. Now, if you want to completely unsend your message, then you must have recently sent the message. Like, for example, I'll send the message now. So, if you want to delete the message within 15 minutes, then just long press on it and then you'll find the undo send option. Just tap on it and then it will be unsent. However, if you want to delete it later, then you just need to long press on it and then tap on more and tap on the trash icon. So you can see that these messages will be deleted from all your devices, but it won't be deleted from your friend's device. So sadly, you can only delete the messages for yourself after 15 minutes. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.